So Carol spins a spinner. She does it 80 times, and here's how often she gets a J, a K and an L. Presumably those are the three things on the spinner. And we are asked not about Carol but about Dan, who does it 300 times, and we want an estimate for the number of L's that Dan will get. Okay, so what we really need is we need the probability of L. So from Carol, we can see that the probability of getting an L is, well, it's 16 out of 80, or at least that's what we're going to use as the probability. Now, it would probably be useful to cancel that down, so I can see immediately that 16 is 8 times 2, and 80 is 8 times 10. So with the green cancelling pen, the 8's cancel. And then actually let's cancel again, because I can see that 2 goes into 10 5 times. And so using the information from Carol, the probability of getting an L is 1/5. Now let's look at Dan. Well, the number of L's that Dan gets, and this is really formal, is going to be 300 times the probability of L. Okay, now I've used this notation. That just means the number of L's, and as we've already seen, this just means the probability of an L. So that's 300 times a fifth, or if you like, 300 over 5. And I hope you can see that 30 over 5 is 6, and I've got an extra 0, so that will be 60. You can do that by cancelling or by division if you would rather. And that's that.